In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account with IC Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, which is icmarkets.eu, or of course any other region in case you're not from the EU. And then here, you want to click on Start Trading Now. And this is going to take you to where you can click on demo account at the very top, and then you can just go ahead and get started by putting in some of your personal details and clicking submit. And after that, you'll be able to basically register and get inside your client area inside this dashboard over here. Okay, so inside that dashboard, you can then go to the accounts tab. And in here, inside the accounts tab, to actually open up a separate demo account, because you can have multiple on different platforms, click on open new demo account, select your platform, select the account type, currency, leverage, and initial deposit, then click on proceed, and your account is going to be created, and then you'll be able to see it here on the list after you actually refresh it yourself. Okay, so that's how you can basically open a demo account. And if you want to know how to actually trade using it, I have a tutorial on that on my channel as well, so you can go ahead and watch that too. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.